If you're encountering the broadcast failed error on your stream, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. A weak or intermittent connection can cause broadcasting issues. Step 2. Verify stream key and URL. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Restart your streaming software. Plus and reopen your streaming software like OBS or XSplit. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause broadcasting errors. Step 4. Update your streaming software. Make sure that your streaming software is up to date. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with Restream, resulting in a broadcast failure. Step 5. Contact Restream support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Restream support team for assistance. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the broadcast failed error and get back to streaming smoothly.